Request all of you to stand as our chief guest of today's function. He is here. May I request everyone to be ready for the flag hoisting ceremony as well as national anthem.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
माता की जय हो भारत माता की जय हो भारत माता की जय।
Thank you, sir. May I request sir and ma'am to take their seats, and I request everyone, all the teachers also, to take their respective seats, please, as we are about to begin with our program. May this sunrise in his course visit no land more free, more happy, and more lovely than this, our own country. With this wish, a very energetic and enthusiastic morning to every free soul present here. It gives me immense pleasure in extending a warm welcome to you all on this auspicious occasion of 75th Independence Day. The day when we became free, the day when our country commenced its journey in the pursuit of justice, liberty, and equality. So we have got all the right reasons to celebrate our independence. As in the words of a wise person too, ours is the land of sages, known for its fearlessness. No one can match it, and no one can compete with its rich culture. Proceeding further in this spirit of patriotism, I would like to invite Ms. Aarti Soni to throw a light on the relevance of celebrating this day. Ma'am, please.
वंदे मातरम। सम्माननीय प्राचार्य महोदय और विद्यालय परिवार के सभी सदस्यों को आज़ादी की 75वीं वर्षगांठ के अवसर पर हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। इस बार स्वतंत्रता दिवस को एक विशेष थीम के अंतर्गत मनाने की योजना तैयार की गई है और जिसका शीर्षक रखा है राष्ट्र पहले हमेशा पहले। इस थीम के जरिए राष्ट्र के नागरिकों के समस्त कार्य सबसे ऊपर बताए गए हैं और सभी भारतवासियों के लिए भारत को हमेशा सर्वोपरि और प्रथम प्राथमिकता देने की बात कही गई है। इस बार हम स्वतंत्रता दिवस इसी थीम के अंतर्गत मना रहे हैं। भारतवर्ष अपनी आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव मना रहा है। ये महोत्सव अगले साल 15 अगस्त तक चलेगा, तब हमारे देश को स्वतंत्र हुए 75 वर्ष हो जाएंगे। यह उस प्रतिज्ञा को याद दिलाता है जो सारे देश ने एकजुट होकर गुलामी का प्रतिकार करने के लिए की थी। इस महोत्सव को शुरू करने के लिए 12 मार्च की तिथि को इसलिए चुना क्योंकि इसी दिन सन 1930 में महात्मा गांधी के नेतृत्व में ब्रिटिश साम्राज्यवाद के विरुद्ध निहत्थे नमक सत्याग्रह का आरंभ हुआ था, जो अपने ढंग का अकेला और सारे विश्व का ध्यान आकृष्ट कर सका था। उस दिन समूचे राष्ट्र ने सारे भेदों को भुलाकर मातृभूमि के लिए अपना सर्वस्व अर्पित करने की ठानी थी। 15 अगस्त सन 2022 को 75 हफ्ते पहले 12 मार्च 2021 से आयोजनों की शुरुआत हो चुकी है, क्योंकि इसी दिन महात्मा गांधी के ऐतिहासिक नमक सत्याग्रह की 91वीं वर्षगांठ भी थी। आज देश स्वतंत्रता की दीपशिखा को संजोने के लिए कृत संकल्प है और नए दमखम के साथ आगे की जय यात्रा के लिए तत्पर हो रहा है। पर यह तत्परता और जज्बा निरी भौतिक सत्ता से कहीं अधिक भारत के भाव से उपजता है, जो समाज के रक्त और मज्जा में जाने कब से घुला मिला है। आज़ादी का क्षण भारत के असंख्य स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों के संघर्ष, समर्पण और बलिदान की अमर गाथाओं को अपने में संजोए हुए है। आइए आज के दिन प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं कि अमृत महोत्सव के इस महाकुंभ में अपनी निष्ठा का एक बूंद हम भी समर्पित करें और माँ भारती के चरणों में अपनी निष्ठा, अपने समर्पण और अपने प्रेम का भाव अर्पित करते हुए आप सबको पुनः इस मंच से आज़ादी की वर्षगांठ की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, ma'am, for your wonderful words. Your words are strong enough to fill everybody's heart with patriotic fervor. But we need to remember one thing: this fervor alone can't do miracle. Let's strive hard and be vigilant for the strong foundation of our country, as well as for the safety and security of our freedom. With this, I would like to invite Ms. Ghazala Sheikh, Academic Coordinator, to highlight the significance of this Independence Day. Ma'am, please.
A very good morning to Honorable Principal Sir and all my dear friends. As an Indian, today is the most important day in our lives. Though we celebrate this day every year, yet we never lack the excitement and thrill which we normally face at the thought of this particular day. 15th August 1947, as we all remember, is the day on which India got its independence from the British rule. Though the entire country was free by the year 1950, yet we consider 1947 as the year and we celebrate in different ways all over the country. Independence Day is very important to us as we had lost a lot of great freedom fighters like Mangal Pandey, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Rajguru, etc. These are some of the few names because of whom our lives today have been so easy and smooth. Among these freedom fighters, there have been a lot of great writers too, who brought a massive difference with their articles, books and knowledge. One cannot forget Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the pains he took to get us freedom, and of course, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, who gave us the constitution of a free India, which helped us segregate the ways to run a country. Let us all pledge today, focus on gathering knowledge and getting ourselves as well as our kids educated to become responsible citizens supporting a peaceful and united India. In the end, I would like to conclude a very happy Independence Day to each and everybody. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Your words replicate the truth. We must not forget that thousands laid down their lives so that our country can breathe this day. So now it is our unsaid and unassigned duty to serve the nation, serve our motherland selflessly. Here comes the time to listen to the words of wisdom and motivation from the head of the institution. For the same, may I request our Honorable Principal Sir, Pankaj Sumani, to come and enlighten us. Sir, please.
Vande Mataram. On this auspicious day, we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day, 75 historical years, and the journey of struggle and success. I give my greetings to all the teachers and all the parents and students through virtual platform and wish them a very, very happy Independence Day. This day gives us a message. Message is that to get something, we have to give something. Yesterday, when I was just listening the speech of our president, he has quoted a motto of one of our brigade, Mera har kaam desh ke naam. So the soldier who lives his life and gives priority to the nation has got this type of words enrolled in his mind. It means that he replicate and represent the mentality of every citizen of our country. And here we are at the foundation level, and the students who are going to achieve something in their life later on, they'll show the victory. So whatever we are doing is the same thing what they are doing at the front line. Taking a step ahead and giving the supreme sacrifice of their life, it needs lots of guts. And to make the mentality of that level, the training is required. And to train somebody for the sake of the country, the trainer needs that particular training too. And we all are trainers. So we all are trained ourselves through our academics to train the forthcoming generation the best possible way. And this independence has given us that particular right to do something right for the future generations. The sacrifice and the success has got lots of distance. Past 1.5 years, we have sacrificed a lot. We have sacrificed the belongingness, a personal belongingness for the sake of our students. And the attachment is right now coming in front of us. It's really a gladful moment for me to say that whatever we have done the past 1.5 years is now replicated on the actual grounds. Our struggle is on the correct path. What we have learned from the nation, now we are returning back to the nation. As already said, this is the 75th Independence Day, and the entire year we are going to have lots of functions. Amrit Mahotsav, India first, always first. In the very same way, we are going to also have lots of functions belonging to the patriotism in the forthcoming days. We are in the mood to inculcate the patriotic approach among our students. And for that one, we hope and expect to run our first NCC batch in the session 21-22 as soon as possible. I'm also happy to say that we have received a 100% result in our 10th and 12th board examination. And of course, the expectations were quite high, but we have made the things in that way as per the pandemic scenarios. Your individual efforts is going to change the things. Remember, the team is only there if every individual is going to put 100%. It's not a one-man show. आज़ादी किसी एक के बलिदान से नहीं मिली, बहुतों ने बलिदान दिया, कुछ सैड मोमेंट्स भी हमने फेस करे, known and unknown. Everybody has participated, and after that toilsome efforts, we got this thing. In the very same way, We are working, but we are not working individually. We are working as a unit, as a team. And there are lots of ups and downs. To make the team, as a team, we need to take certain steps, certain decisions. Sometimes the decisions are favorable, sometimes unfavorable, but wholesome result is a fruitful one. So, on this day, let's take this particular motto and oath that whatever the troubles we are going to face, we are not going to sacrifice the team spirit. In any case, the team should work like a team, and not a single or individual fellow is above the team. The democracy teaches us for the people, by the people, from the people. In the very same way, the team is also the same approach. One for all and all for one. And I'm happy that the team is right now working in the true spirit. Let the same momentum should continue. Let the thing should move in the very same way. And hope and expect that till the end of this 75th Independence Day celebration year, we are going to be on the same track which we have expected in our dreams. Today, this function has happened not because of us, but because of those whose presence is here, but the name might not be. I'd like to take this opportunity to say on the ups and downs that our 4th grades have done this job, and that's why we all are sitting here in a very systematic way. Whatever they have done, they deserve a huge round of applause. The second part, it is a team which is right now replicated here. Some of our team members are not here. They are facing certain troubles on the health grounds, but morally, we are again standing all together. I'd like to take a mission that we are going to organize a quiz competition to inculcate the knowledge of our students related to the military and army. So, in the forthcoming weeks, we are going to have every brigade, every corps, detailed knowledge, so that the students might know that after all, what does the actual army mean? The forthcoming examinations are standing ahead, and you all have performed very well up to the syllabus approached. Now the point is that we have to approach to the grassroots level. So on this day, we have also started a mission on the eve of our 15th August, visiting the parents' home and getting the detailed things about the students. I'm glad that the feedback of yesterday's visit was fantastic, fabulous. Parents have appreciated a lot. And we are not going to stop there. Now we are going to move further forwards with further more zeal and enthusiastic approach. We want that every student of our nearby periphery must get the proper knowledge. LSEB is now extending its hands and arms to the neighboring schools. I'm happy to say that our ATL lab is going to be inaugurated on 5th of September, dedicated to the teachers and run by the teachers. Furthermore, things are there, but there are lots to do. Words are mere words until and unless they are going to turn to the proper action. So, as per our motto, action speaks louder than words. We believe in the actions. are in the action, and we will continue our actions. We hope and expect the same thing from our students too. Let's once again greet them and wish them a very, very happy Independence Day. Thank you very much.
Many thanks to you, sir. It is always an exhilarating experience to listen to your thoughts, which are incessant source of inspiration. Your thoughts ignite the passion within to contribute in the work of developing our country. The country which is self-reliant and self-dependent. So let's take a pledge today to be an active member in this noble cause of nation building. With this, once again, a big thanks to you, sir. I also wish to extend my heartfelt thanks to you all on being the part of this noble ceremony. And let's take and end this celebration with one wish for our country. Thank you once again, all of you, for being the part of this ceremony. Thank you.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sukhalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Sasya Syamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhrajyotsna Pulakitayamini, Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini, Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini, Sukhadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.